To help battle being bored in quarantine, I'm going to show you how to make your own board game. What you need is something for cards and something that you can use as a board. I used a file folder for my board and I used little paint samples for cards, but you can use paper or index cards or anything that you want. I decorated my title as Frozen style because my sisters wanted to do a Frozen trivia game. After I decorated the title, I started on working on the board. I flipped over my file folder and I started drawing out the spaces and coloring them in. You can see here the colors that I chose match the title. You don't have to do anything like color schemes, but I just wanted to. I then created my cards and my rules. After that, I found my dice, and then I found game pieces that I can use. I use little plastic dinosaurs, but you can use game pieces from another game or anything else that you want to use or find. You can customize your game however you want. Here's my sisters playing the game I made today. Thanks for watching!
My name is Juliet, and I'm here to give you a couple of things that you can do during isolation. You could spend time with your pets now that you're not at work and or school all the time. Spending time and bonding with your pets feels amazing, trust me. You could binge watch TV shows and or movies, or you could play scary video games. Yeah, you won't feel alone after that. Or you could just manage. This can be a very traumatizing period of time for a lot of people. So what you absolutely need to do is whatever helps your mental health. It's lonely, I know. But once all this is over, things will start looking up. I promise. This is Juliet, saying goodbye.
So I was really bored the other day, right? So I started playing some natural Fortnite, like top tier stuff. Anyway, playing games, like get your mind off things. I was playing with my boy Carlos, and we got a dub. You can just see this amazing gameplay right now. 10 out of 10. Everything around, like what's happening around in the world. Playing some games will keep me entertained and not bored for the next week, month, days, years, however long it'll take for like the coronavirus to clear up. So to keep my mind off stuff. I got the last kill and won the whole game. It was really epic,
Hi, my name's Sabine Gregorio, and these are my tips and tricks for staying organized in quarantine. My tip for today is creating a workspace that makes you feel productive. As you can see, my desk starts out really messy, and it kept me from getting stuff done. I started by getting rid of my art materials that got me off task. I also took off anything that could distract me, like decorations and messy papers. I put anything I'd need within arm's reach so I wouldn't have to get up. Now here's the final desk. My other tips are keeping water and snacks nearby, and putting your phone somewhere far away so it can't distract you. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you use these tips and stay sane in quarantine.
Hey everybody, obviously I'm out and doing stuff and y'all are stuck at home, so hopefully you can enjoy all that and just whatever happens to be happening on your side. I mean, okay, maybe I'm not out, maybe I'm not, but hopefully a little bit of what we've offered you today is something to help you out at home. Maybe structure yourself, give yourself something to think about, see how everybody else is doing, because I'm sure we're all having a hard time right now. And we'd like to put out sips every week, maybe twice a week. If you've got a story that you'd like to include in our Shelter in Place show, then send it on over. We're looking for anything that's kind of uplifting or helps people get through what we're going through right now, or just if you have a good story to share. And if you've got an iPad, you can produce something for us, because everybody who's given us stuff today, all the video you've seen has been shot from an iPad or a phone or something you have easily at hand. So if you'd like to, send us a story, send a story idea, talk it over with me, or you can even join in on our meetings on Thursdays if you want to, where we're putting story ideas together and trying to figure out what we want to use. So hopefully y'all are staying sane. If you Got any good ideas? Throw them our way. My email is thammontree@cedars-academy.org. So if you want to get a hold of me or try and get an idea into our show, we'd love to have it. We'll see y'all soon.